So help me God.
When Donald Trump appointed Jeff Sessions to run the Justice Department, civil rights advocates worried that Sessions would roll back civil rights enforcement and give a pass to police misconduct. And those fears were completely justified. An exclusive Vice News analysis finds that under Sessions and his successor, Matt Whitaker, the Justice Department's Civil Rights Division has, on average, opened 54% fewer cases annually than were opened under Bush and Obama. The division has also failed to close many of the cases it's opened. The number of legal settlements it's reached is at a 17-year low. We asked the DOJ to comment on these numbers, but they declined. When Vice News asked Sessions for comment at his home today, he said,
"I don't have access to those numbers, so I'll let their comments stand. I'm sorry."
The division has 8 sections that deal with various aspects of civil rights. Reliable historical data exists for 5 of them. And all of those have seen a drop-off in the number of cases opened. The number of new cases in the Educational Opportunities Division, which enforces Title IX, has fallen by 29% since Trump took office. Disability rights cases have fallen by over 41%, housing by 48%, voting rights by 77%, and the Special Litigation Section, which deals with systemic misconduct by police departments and prisons, has seen the biggest decline, 93%. In fact, the Trump administration hasn't filed a single complaint against a police department. The administration hasn't only cut back on enforcement, it's also cut back on the number of enforcers. The Civil Rights Division's staff has been cut by about 17%, and Trump wants to cut another 5% this year. Which means there's never been a better time to violate someone's civil rights than right now.